Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we're looking at the GIEC Y1015 True Wireless Earbuds. We'll start with an unboxing, and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. Very nice box. I like the design. I like the pictures on there. Let's take a look here. You have some data in the back. Tells you some of the things it can do right here, but let's go ahead and get this guy open and get to the point of this whole thing. All right. Hopefully I don't break it trying to open this friggin' box, but all right, here we go. And right away, here we go. Let's look at the case first since it's right here. So we'll pop this guy out like that, take it out, and that is a beautiful case. Nice and shiny. I like that screen on top. It's very nice. Pop this open. Here it has for the USB cable and the micro USB for charging, which is awesome. We'll pop this guy open like this. This is where you put your earbuds to charge. And then you close it. And boom, it tells you the battery percentage right there. That's a nice looking LCD screen too. It doesn't look cheap or anything. Flickers a little bit on the camera, but other than that, it's very nice. All right, now let's look at the actual earbuds because that's the important thing. That's what allows you to listen to the music. All right, they are a good size. They're not too big. I mean, here they kind of look a little large, but really not, you know, it's a standard size, I think. It has a nice design for each ear. I'll put them on in just a minute so you can see how they fit, but these look really good to me. Okay, right before I finished the unboxing part, I realized, hey, it's missing some stuff. So you want to take off that plastic bit and then you can see the rest of the things underneath here. So here we have the charging cable, which is a micro USB, which, you know, it is what it is. And then we have some other sized earbud tips here. And then right underneath here, we have the instruction manual. And we'll pop this open really quick. It gives you some of the information, what it comes with, and inside it gives you directions on how to use it. But let's go ahead and start with this bit. So you want to open these guys up. Pop them into your charging case like so. Close it up and boom, you're done. And it shows right there the percentage of the battery on the actual case. And then when you want to connect them to your device, you pop them up. They're blinking, so that means they're in pairing mode. Open up your device and connect them that way. I'm not going to do that because I've done that in other videos, and come on, you probably already know how to do that, so you don't need me to show you. Okay, next, another really cool feature that I really liked that I haven't seen in any other headphone is that the case doubles as a phone holder. I mean, how cool is that? You just have it with you all the time if you travel with your earbuds. I think that's really cool. I haven't seen that anywhere else. All right, so something that I totally missed when I bought these, I didn't read in the description, I just totally missed it, is that this thing is a freaking power bank. So you connect your USB to the case just like that, and then you plug it into your device like I will on my phone like this, and boom, it charges it. It's amazing. I mean, I've seen other ones that have this, but this is a nice small size and it works great. All right, the fit is actually really awesome. I like it. It's nice and snug. I moved around, I ran a little bit, I didn't record that because you don't want to see me running, and it fits great. It's nice and snug, does not fall out. Loved it. All right, so you're looking at these and you're probably wondering, where can I get this and how much are they? Well, you can get these on Amazon right now for $35.99, which is a really good price for all the features it has. I do want to talk about sound quality. The sound is nice and loud and crisp. I will say it was lacking a little bit in the bass. Having said that, it still sounded great. Nice and clear. I made a phone call too with them. The person can hear me. I mean, they can tell I was wearing some kind of device. Music was great. I listened to some podcasts. I mean, if we're looking at all these extra features that this thing has, it's a phone holder. It is a power bank. It claims to give 90 hours of listening time, which I did not have a chance to test it that far, but that is a huge claim. And if it's true, that is remarkable and awesome. Definitely pick these up if you're looking for your first wireless earbuds, because this thing comes with so many features that you're gonna love it, and the price is great. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.